Hi there guys, it's Pieter Jan here and we are sorting out the festive table. We are busy with festive recipes and we are going to make a berry-glazed gammon today. A little bit more of a traditional gammon. We are not going to roast this dry, it's going to be wet roasted. You will see what I mean now. It's going into a roasting stock, which we will talk about now. Firstly, we get the gammon. We are going to just remove it from its packaging. So for today we are cooking this in a berry juice, and when it's cooked we are going to remove the skin from the gammon, glazing the fat with a berry jam, popping it back into the oven, and that's going to be our gammon. The vegetables that we are cooking around the gammon is going to be part of the feast. It's going to be part of one of the dishes of the table. We will talk about that now, you will see. But firstly, let's remove the outside, let's remove the net. This is just to keep your gammon nice and compact. We don't need this. It's going into our beautiful pan over here, and we're not shaking it around in the oven. It will be okay. This is going into our casserole. We need something deep because we need the gammon to be covered mostly in our stock. So I always just add a little bit of baking paper to my pans whenever I cook. Okay, so there we go. Gammon inside, lovely. To this we're adding sage, beautiful sage. I'm just pinching it a little bit to get the flavors to come loose. Chopped rosemary. I chopped it because I want the flavor to be intense. Okay, a little bit of garlic, chopped garlic. Around this we're packing some red onions, which is beautiful and soft, and it falls apart, and it's a lovely flavor to add to your gammon. And when we are done with this, after the cooking part, they will be delicious. Okay, baby carrots that we're also just adding to this. Okay, then we've got a berry juice, whatever berry juice you can find. This is just a plain and simple mixed berry juice. And then to that, to fill the stock, we just add a little bit of vegetable stock. Okay, so don't fill it all, just fill it until you get this. Okay, so half submerged in fluids, and then I'm just going to fold it back, pop the lid on. There we go. So this goes into the oven for 2 hours. After 2 hours you will see that the rind of the gammon is loose. Remove it, glaze the fat with berry jam, and just roast it for another 15 minutes to make it nice and sticky. Okay guys, so this was in the oven. It's beautiful and soft. We glazed it with a little bit of berry jam. Came out of the oven. This is delicious. So this gammon with the vegetables I'm serving as part of a side dish, just some toasted bread. So this is just whatever bread you have left in your bread tin. Salt, olive oil, herbs, enjoy. So the vegetables, the beautiful onion and carrots. Got some sage over here. Okay, so this automatically sorts out 2 dishes on your table, and you didn't do a lot to achieve it. And then the gammon is so soft that it falls apart. Okay, there we go. Look at this. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, enjoy the festive season. Enjoy the recipes. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.